short jumbo twist. R.I.P. Zahara has been going through the most. Thank you so much to Madam Glam. So you guys, the first thing that I'm gonna do is my hair, and currently I'm about to leave and go and buy the braiding hair from the beauty supply store. The inspo, I'll put a picture here for the inspo, but I'm trying to do something really quick and easy because I'm actually tired from I'm just tired and I don't want to do anything that's going to strain me. So I'm planning to do these short jumbo twists. I did them last year actually. But yeah, that's the plan. So I'm going to go to the mall and get the kinky hair and come back and we're going to do it. It's like after 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So it's definitely going to be a bit of a late night. But that's alright. Yeah, that's the plan. I'm just going to grab my things and we can head out. Alexa, pause. Hey guys, so I am back from the mall and I got the braiding hair. I got this Marley braid in color T1B/33. I was actually going for like color 30 because that's the color I like, but I also wanted it to be like mixed with black, but I didn't find that. So this was the next bet. It looks really black. And so yeah, this is the hair I'm gonna be using. Let's see, I haven't actually opened it. It's low-key red. Is it? It's basically this like kinky textured hair and I only got one package, so I am praying it's gonna be enough because like the hairstyle is supposed to be short, so I'm hoping I can like cut these into like cut it there and then have this in half. And yeah, I will just let you guys watch. Should I take this off? Shoo! I look crazy, but like towards the end of the semester my hair was like screaming at me. It was actually crying because if you see my last video, I literally had 2 pom-poms and I had them in for like 2 weeks. This is definitely like an important step of like the getting myself together. I actually just genuinely haven't had my hair done since October. Yeah, since the hairstyle I did when we started uni, I have not done my hair again. That's crazy. So yeah, I'm in need to just like do something to get myself together. Plus, I'm entering like study break. Like I know it's leading up to Christmas and New Year's or whatever, but the real thing for me is that this is study break. Exams start on the 8th of January, so I don't want to be like stressed about doing my hair every single day leading up to that time and also for that time. So yeah, I'm just gonna do something light, something simple. It's currently 6:58 p.m. and so 7, and I'm hoping to finish this by like 9:30. It's really a quick hairstyle, guys. Like I'll show you once I'm within it, but yeah, this is the hair and this is gonna make all the difference. Like I'm so excited to have my hair done. Like it's been so long. But anyway, you guys, let's get into it. Parts first. Also, Amanda Black is playing in the background. I washed my hair on Saturday and today's Monday, so it's clean. Oh my gosh, let's play Zahara. R.I.P. Zahara. If you know Zahara, just comment down. The days of Loliwe, like I was on, like my mom really put me on. Alexa, shuffle songs by Zahara. It's scary that I still know the lyrics so well. This one's so long, my days. Okay, that's better. is being made, y'all. So this is the result of the hairstyle, you guys. This is the final result. I really like it. It came out as like a little bob, and I made it a bit shorter than I had it the last time, but I really like it. This is it at the back. I tried to make the part super neat as well, so I'm proud of myself for that. But yeah, I like it. Like, I can style it down like this, and I can even like put one behind my ear type of moment and do my edges. And I can like put it up, you know, it's neat enough. Or I can even like do one of these moments. I really like this hairstyle, like so quick and easy, and yet it gives you like a lot of versatility in terms of style. But yeah, I'm finally feeling put together. Yeah, this feels really good, and I really like this style. Like, I'm actually so proud of myself. Hold on, this is really giving. It's really giving. I actually forgot to oil my scalp though yesterday, so hey guys, that's it with the hair. I really do love this hairstyle. If you're a student, I highly recommend. This is literally the most straightforward. You braid at the bottom. Sorry I didn't show you how to do it, but you just like braid at the bottom. You make your hair the third piece of hair and you braid it in, and then you like split it into two. You split your hair into two with this, and you like twist it over. Then when you get to the bottom, you just take it back up. I hope that makes sense. I'll link like a tutorial somewhere, but I didn't follow a tutorial. I just like literally winged it the first time, and so now I was just copying the first time I did it. But yeah, you guys, that is it with the hair, and I'll see you guys in the next portion of this video. So you guys, you'd have seen my skincare routine this morning, and honestly my skin has been going through the most. Like, it's not even just like the acne, it's the acne scarring. Like, I don't know why, but in the last few weeks, actually I do know why. Like I decided at some point that like I had small like acne, like pimples coming up, and then the internet told me that niacinamide was good for like blemish prone skin and like, you know, reducing all of that. And I was like, bet. So I went and got the ordinary niacinamide. Did my skin not start breaking out even more, guys? I gave it 2 weeks. I was like, you know, maybe my skin is just adjusting. But in week 2 it was just like getting worse and worse, so I decided to stop. And like all the scarring, like all the acne was scarring so bad, as you can see. So yeah, my skin definitely has not been doing good, and I feel like in the past few weeks as well, like towards the end of the semester, I was not doing any type of masks or like putting like care on my skincare. Like when I stopped using niacinamide, I was like, let me try and keep it simple and just wash and moisturize. But like I wasn't trying to target anything. But yeah, I say all this to say I got the 2 new products that you guys saw. One is the hyaluronic acid, which I did use before, so I already knew it was good. Like it hydrates your skin and then like it makes it like glow a little bit. And then I got the vitamin C one, which I've never used before, but that one is supposed to like target blemishes, like brighten your skin, blah blah blah. So hopefully it works. It feels good on my skin. Like when I used it, it was the first time I was using it this morning, it felt really good. Like it wasn't like irritating or anything, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, you guys, that's it with the skin. Kind of like put down your recommendations on other things I can do for my skin, because yeah, it's going through it. But anyway, moving swiftly along. My nails have been disgusting, guys. Oh, I'm so embarrassed because I usually take pride in my nails. Like, I usually actually try and put effort because my nails are naturally, like, they grow well, and when I paint them they just look like I even have fake nails. But your girl has left her nails like to look crusty for most of the semester. So as you can see, currently I actually have like some nail polish and like it's a whole mess. So I'm just gonna like figure out that situation. And speaking about nails, thank you so much to Madam Glam for sponsoring this portion of the video. So Madam Glam is a nail care company and do like nail polish and stuff, and they kind enough to send me a few packages. I actually thought they were sending one, but they sent me 2 packages, so you know, I'm super excited to open them. So this is their packaging, super cute. Madam Glam, New York, everything you love at your fingertips. So super cute. We're gonna unbox that right now. Which one should we unbox first? Okay, just open this one. First of all, this is super cute. Like, we have the nice secure packaging inside, like this foamy thing, and I got a mini UV or LED lamp. So this is super cute, and this is gonna be like to cure the nails. You guys will see when I use it. So this is how it looks like, and it's really like compact, so I'm thinking this is really nice for like on the go as well. Opening the next packet. Oh, have a few nail polishes. Okay, this is the base coat. Top coat, Divine Glam. Oh, this is the color. Obviously you guys will see it when I do my nails, but I'm just so excited like opening it. And it says cruelty free, it's vegan and HEMA free, whatever it is. This one has got sparkle. This one has like little sparkle. Prodigy Hollow Lava. Oh, this is really cute. This one also has sparkle. But yeah, those are all the nail polishes that I got. Thank you so much to Madam Glam for sending this to me. If you do also want to shop Madam Glam for your nails, make sure you check out my link in my description box. I'll put the discount code on my screen for you to get like 30% off. But yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and like start doing my nails, guys. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna sit here and like watch YouTube, watch Netflix, and just chill. Like, believe it or not, you guys, I hate to say it, but today is Tuesday and I've already started studying again. Like, today I really sat, I said, this life is not cute. It's not cute. The life of an academic is not very cute, but at least I can be cute while studying. Do you know what I mean? That's the whole point of this video. But yeah, you guys, let me switch up the setup and we can get this going.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go.
So you guys, as you guys have seen, I've just been like doing my little Bible study worship session, and honestly for me a big part of like getting myself together is like just straightening up my mind, which is like getting right with God. And the last few weeks of uni had me like so passively reading my Bible. Like I wasn't really like in it, like I wasn't spending time with God, and like my religion is really important to me, like it's what centers me. So like being overwhelmed and feeling anxious and all of that was also because I wasn't spending enough time in the word. So yeah, that's what I've just been doing, and honestly it was such a good like little devotional session. I was reading Job chapter 8, and like Job's friend, he really has some wisdom. Does God twist justice? Does the Almighty twist what is right? Like don't blame God when things are not going your way. Do you know what I mean? Like a lot of times as well I feel like we are not following God, because like he goes on to say, but if you pray to God and seek the favor of the Almighty, and if you are pure and live with integrity, he will surely rise up and restore your happy home. The thing is, a lot of us are not living purely and like living with integrity, and yet we are like wanting God to come and rescue us. We're not even praying, we're just like like complaining, right? And so that really struck me, honestly. I was just like, sometimes like you start to think like God doesn't love you, like what's going on, but you're not living right, you're not praying to him, you're not asking him to help you get out of that, like, you know. And yeah, but yeah, you guys, that is it with like my Bible study. Honestly, I do feel so much better, like just like I feel more centered with exams coming, Christmas coming, New Year, the new year is coming. Like yeah, I feel so much better after doing this, so I highly recommend if you're also trying to get yourself together after like a long semester and stuff. Yeah, love that for me.
Yeah, you guys, this is me all put together. I just got ready small for the day. My hair is all done. I did a cute little half up half down situation. My nails are done, put on some jewelry, and yeah, I'm feeling good. My skin honestly is the one thing that has like a long way to go, but it's feeling very well moisturized and glowy because of the serum, so I'm really happy about that. I'm feeling a lot more put together. This for me was much needed at the end of the semester, so yeah, thank you so much for watching along. This does bring us to the end of today's video. If you have come all the way to the end and you liked it, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and if you came all the way to the end and you're not already subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to join this amazing family. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.